High and above and out front of all others, a 345 mile-per-hour, 4-seat pressurized aircraft, the 4 is one of the world's best personal cross-country machines available. The beauty of the 4 is not only skin deep. The 4P combines airliner speeds and comfort with levels of freedom and economy never before possible. Lansair has produced a 345 mile-per-hour, 4-seat pressurized aircraft that could be easily built in one's home shop.
My name is Jim Malik, and I'm here in Lansair's plant building a 4P with a piston engine, and I'm having the time of my life.
I picked the Lansair over all the other aircraft available for kit builders, primarily because of the customer support that they were going to give and the builder's assist shop.
They're training me to do what needs to be done, and whether you work on either a 2 or 3 week fast build or on a full project like I am, it's a good place to start.
The Lansair 4 has proven itself to be incredibly fast, efficient, safe, reliable, comfortable, and now, more than ever, easy to build. It is one of only 4 single-engine piston aircraft in the history of aviation to achieve a pressurized cabin. The Lansair 4P is perhaps the most sophisticated home-built aircraft available today, with capabilities that rival jumbo jets. Brian Seeley, CAFE Foundation. The 4 has also proven itself time and again to be fast and strong. At Lansair, we are particularly proud of all the accomplishments our customers have made with their own Lansair 4s as they continue to demonstrate this remarkable aircraft to the aviation world. Many customers have earned impressive wins with their 4s in virtually all major air races in the nation and have set around-the-world speed records. Customers agree that it is the near-perfect blend of technology and aerodynamic focus to create the ultimate personal traveling machine. These aircraft have logged thousands of hours all around the world, and their safety record is enviable. Through careful development and testing, Lansair is fully confident in the overall strength of the Lansair 4 airframe, and over the years, it has proven itself to be strong, solid, safe, and reliable.
And with the help here, they're training me to do what needs to be done.
I'm here to learn techniques for the carbon fiber and how to do the layups in the correct manner is just invaluable.
The Lansair 4 not only excels in performance, reliability, and safety, but is also outstanding in the area of comfort and visibility. With the 4, Lansair created the fastest 4-seat single-engine plane in the world without sacrificing cabin comfort. Nothing is more important to a pilot than good visibility, and the Lansair 4 excels in this area. The view in all directions is outstanding. The materials utilized, combined with the well-designed feature of the Lansair 4, adds to the overall perfection of this machine. Lansair utilizes advanced composites for one single reason. They are clearly the best overall airframe materials for a general aviation aircraft. Opposite of aluminum, composites have a near infinite fatigue life, and the carbon fiber used is, pound for pound, nearly 3 times stronger than steel. With the Lansair 4 and 4P requirements for reduced weight and extreme high speeds, a small, strong, and stiff wing was essential. Carbon fiber was chosen because of its incredible strength-to-weight ratio. Considering the needs of a high-speed and high-altitude performance, Lansair has designed the perfect wing to accomplish both needs, offering the added benefits of greater strength, greater stiffness, and increased fuel volume. The high aspect ratio ailerons make slow speed roll control nothing short of remarkable. The unique dual side sticks are far more than just innovative. They are practical, natural, and very comfortable. The gear system is electro-hydraulic and includes an accumulator, thereby providing a constant pressure of 1100 psi. The main gear is made of tubular 4340 steel. It is gun-drilled, honed, taper-cut and polished, bent in our custom taper dies, aligned, drilled, and heat-treated. The nose gear is a premium air oleo strut, designed with a unique internal shimmy dampener and alignment system. The Lansair 4 offers you a choice of engines depending on your speed and flying needs. Every aircraft is designed around an engine of choice. For the Lansair 4 and 4P, that engine is the Continental TSIO 550. With the 4's performance optimized for the flight levels, this twin turbocharged, twin intercooled engine delivers 75% power all the way up to 25,000 feet. where, depending on conditions, you'll be realizing true airspeeds of 330 to 345 miles per hour.